Hey everyone, it's Heather from Performance Institute, and I'm here to answer a client question. How do I get more protein on a plant-forward diet? And you might think it's hard to hit your protein goals on a plant-forward diet, but the truth is, it's not necessarily about eating more food, it's about eating the right foods and knowing how to boost them effectively. Here's the issue. Most healthy plant-based meals only hit about 15 to 20 grams of protein per meal. And that's fine if your goal is general health. But if you want to build strength, stay energetic, and support body composition goals, you need more. The fix is simple, and it comes down to two things. You need to create a kitchen that allows you to get your protein foundations, which are the foods that you build your meals around, as well as protein boosters, small add-ons that bump up protein without a ton of extra calories. So protein foundations. These are your high protein staples, and to keep it simple, I've ranked them highest to lowest per half cup serving. Tempeh, 17 grams of protein. Fava bean tofu, 16 grams of protein. Firm tofu or red lentils, 12 grams of protein. Lupini beans, 10 grams of protein. Lentils, regular lentils, 9 grams. Shelled out edamame, 8 to 9 grams of protein. Black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas, about 7 grams of protein. Try to include one of these at every single meal as your foundation, 1 to 2 of them. Now, protein boosters. These can be the game changer, the protein boosters, because say if you make a meal and it is only that 20-ish grams of protein, these can add 5 to 25 grams of protein to meals in seconds. Plant-based protein powder, unsweetened peanut butter, nutritional yeast, TVP, or pumpkin seeds. Sprinkle this into cereals, salads, soups, or sauces to easily hit your target. And one big mistake that people make is stacking carbs on top of carbs when they're trying to make plant-based meals. For example, rice, lentils, plus beans, plus a dressing. It's tasty, but for most people, unless you're an endurance athlete, it's just too many carbs. Here's what I recommend. Treat your legumes, so that's your beans, your lentils, as both carbs and a protein. If using plant proteins as your main protein source, skip or reduce extra carbohydrates. So to hit that 25 to 35 grams of protein per meal, add half a scoop of protein powder, a sprinkle of TVP, nutritional yeast, or powdered peanut butter, or include, say, half a sliced veggie sausage. If you're not vegan, topping up with Greek yogurt or cottage cheese also works. This way your meals are balanced, high in protein, but still plant forward. If you refer to the blog, you'll actually see some sample day ideas of what your meals could look like, as well as the breakdown of the macros of the meals that I've shared there are realistic, simple, and help you hit your protein target. If you want the full food list, exact breakdowns, and the sample day of eating, remember, check out and read the full blog in the link in the description in our bio.